Of all the styles of motorcycles out there, cruisers are the most popular and top-selling style that there is. In this video, I'm going over the top 3 best beginner cruiser motorcycles. Hey, I'm Lavatronn, and on this channel you get quick motorcycle how-tos and product reviews. Also, tips to help keep you safe on the road. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button down below for more. Let's go! Cruisers are motorcycles that generally have a lower seat height, a V-twin engine, and thick tires. They also handle well at low speeds, which make them great for beginners. The first cruiser on this list is the Indian Scout. The Scout's lightweight frame and low seat height make for a nice, balanced bike that is easy to handle in low speeds. It features an 1133cc engine, and it packs some serious punch. This engine gives off 100 horsepower and 72 pounds-feet of torque. This is the most expensive bike on this list, and pricing starts at $12,000. The second cruiser on this list is the Yamaha Bolt. I actually rode this bike last year, and I had a blast. I'll link that video right here. Its low seat and narrow feel offer a smooth ride for beginners. The Yamaha Bolt features a 942cc air-cooled V-twin engine, and is currently priced at $8,500. This bike has the best mix of modern and retro inspiration, which is kind of on trend now. Third and final is the Honda Rebel 500. Affordability meets a great user-friendly experience with the Rebel 500. This motorcycle features a unique slipper clutch that makes shifting gears for someone who never has very simple. The Rebel features a 471cc parallel twin-cylinder liquid-cooled engine. Currently, this bike is priced at $6,300. Are there any other models you would recommend to a beginner? Let me know down below in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, ride safe and see you next time.